So I'm with Richard Floyd from Floyd Automatic, and we're here to talk about Applitec products. Richard, can you tell us about the top line?
Sure. Good morning. I'm here today to talk about the top-line product, which is the primary product produced by Applitec. It is by far the most successful insert program that Applitec have produced. It's based on the simple process of clamping with what they call offset teeth. So the top-line process of clamping is using 2 screws and offset teeth. The offset teeth uses the process of clamping the insert, and the torque of the screw will draw the teeth against one another, bringing the insert close into the holder, making a very rigid clamp.
So how would this tool's obviously primarily used for Swiss lathes or sliding head lathes. How would it compare to a more traditional tool?
Well, the main difference between this style of insert, whether twin screw or single screw, is that they have been designed specifically for the use on sliding heads where the bar is moved onto the insert. Traditional ISO inserts will work equally well in certain conditions, but we found this particular tool system provides a greater degree of rigidity, reduced tool life, and increased productivity.
Okay, now I was going to ask you what the benefits are to it, but you've pretty much honed in on them there. So we're talking about a tool here that will maybe also give you a better surface finish on your product, will last longer.
The important thing about this particular range of inserts is that Applitec have put together a range of geometries that allows different materials to be machined efficiently. They have a range of coatings which they are constantly improving all the time in order to increase tool life. They've brought in other geometries, including laser-generated technologies, to allow improved tool control and better life.
So who would you be aiming this tool at, Richard? Who would you like to be thinking is watching this video and go, I could do with one of those, or some of those?
Well, we generally target this product at certainly the high precision, looking at the more difficult materials, aerospace, this type of product, certainly the more difficult materials, where generally lesser, should I say, or single screw systems or smaller tools are not providing the rigidity. The twin screw system, particularly the twin screw system, is really the best performance for people machining difficult materials.
So the tools are lasting longer, whereas before you might have had to have taken 3 cuts, you could maybe now take 2 with this, something like that. And it's all to do with back working as well, you mentioned earlier.
Well, primarily, a lot of people recognise this tool as being a back working tool because of the nature, the way they work on a sliding head machine. However, in the top-line program, there are many front-turn applications and grooving applications which, again, benefit from the twin screw application.
Is there well, how much do they cost? Do you have to pay more for this type of tool?
Generally speaking, they will initially appear to be of a higher price. Over the years that I have been selling these products, every time we go to a cheaper or a lesser product, people tend to always come back to the top line because it fundamentally performs and outperforms all the other programs.